Yo guys, what's up? This is Dean here for Marijuana SA, and today I am unboxing one of my favorite grow lights currently, which is the Kingbrite 240 watt LED. This is an LED containing Samsung LM301H chips as well as Epistar far red and UV. So let's check what's inside the box. I have just discovered a box inside the box. The unit comes with all the hanging materials that you need so that you can set it up straight out of the box. We've got two hanging kits as well as connector screws to screw onto the unit so that you can hang it. And then we also have
cable tie.
and these cool nearly wiry kind of things to hang on between the hanging kit and the light. We can see our UV over here and our far red, as well as our 3500 Kelvin Samsung LM301H. This is a 240 watt board on an aluminium heatsink with a mean wall driver, and this is a light perfect for a 1.2 by 1.2 meter grow tent from seed all the way through till harvest. And like I said, this is one of my favorite lights at the moment. So let's check it out a bit closer. It hurts me. I feel like I'm getting a bit of a tan.